Okay guys, so this is the first time na i-reveal natin our new business, our new shop, our new branch here in Tomas Morato, Quezon City. Pupunta tayo sa pinakabagong branch natin. Samahan nyo kami. Dito yung Solar Boy X Flip Phenomenal Soul, and we're just really excited because imagine mo, we started from a small space. Ngayon kuya, we're jumping into another venture. Mas malaki, high ceiling na. Pasok tayo. So guys, ito yung natin, bagong branch natin. Two sides to. Ito, as you can see, on this side, this is the Flip Phenomenal Soul. Yan, ito yan. Malaki na to, tapos magkakaroon tayo ng maliit na basketball ring dito para meron tayong mga ibang contents na gagawin. And on this side, this is Solar Boy. Tattoo natin, dito mangyayari yan. So, yan naman yung bathroom natin. High ceiling din yung CR natin. Lalagyan natin ng display yan. So habang umiihi kayo or nagpupupo kayo, meron kayong makikita mga sapatos. So budol everywhere.